Anatolia. Generous Anatolia. The motherland of fertile grounds that have hosted many civilizations over thousands of years. Anatolia, a miracle peninsula who has never starved her people in any period of history. The history-blooming motherland who is enjoying the pride of being preferred by civilizations over thousands of years. Water is civilization, and the many rivers, streams, and creeks that carry fruitfulness and give life to these civilizations. The life-bearing veins of Anatolia. The history of civilizations show us that the settlements in Anatolia have always been established around water resources, and the humanity has been working for thousands of years to take control of the water resources that have given life to Anatolia. Wherever you go in Anatolia, you always come across projects that combine water with civilization. History shows us that the humanity has come a long way with the help of the fact that human intelligence and technology have brought water and fertile grounds together. Today, human intelligence with high technological know-how continue to develop new projects to enhance the fertility of water and land resources. Eren Construction, Trading and Industry Limited, a combination of high technology, engineering, strong logistics, qualified productive power and ethical values. The establishment of Eren Construction dates back to 1978 and it's continuously working on many great projects all over Anatolia. Combining water, which is the important source of life, with Turkey's fertile grounds and economy, Eren Construction has built small dams, hydroelectric power plants, drinking water pipelines, drainage networks, pump stations, operation maintenance roads, and thousands of kilometers of canals in many different projects. Eren Construction proves its high-quality work standards, environmental care, and the principles of respect for the workers' rights with the many international standard certificates that it has received, such as the ISO 14001, ISO 9001, and the OSAS 8001C. Eren Construction is constantly working hard on the avoidance of waste, on the use of natural sources for the protection of the environment and the reduction of waste by recycling and maximizing its production standards and quality production. Eren Construction regards it as an inevitable principle for its personnel to work in a hygienic and secure environment. Under the direction of the international standards and the TSEN 206-1 concrete production standard, Eren Construction also actualizes the most qualified concrete production appropriate for the environmental conditions as a result of laboratory controls and tests. Eren Construction has constructed many irrigation projects developed by DSI General, the Directorate of State Hydraulic Works, and presented them to the use of the Turkish farmer and the Turkish economy. Kahramanmaraş Kalealtı Pump Irrigation Construction is the first project that Eren Construction has successfully finalized. The project oversaw the irrigation of 2,910 hectares of land and drainage network construction. In total, 16 kilometers of line canal, 30 kilometers of operation and maintenance roads, 64 kilometers of precast canal network, 12 kilometers of discharge canal, and all art construction and pump stations have been completed. Within the context of the Nizip Barak Road, Hancaz Dam Diversion, developed by the General Directorate of Highways, 17 kilometers of highway excavation, filling, ground and upper foundation works, and all field structure constructions have been completed. Eren Construction has also worked in Southeast Anatolia for the Gaziantep Kilis Balıklı Small Dam construction. 31 meters high of small dam, spillway, outlet, and access road construction has been completed and is ready for irrigation. Gaziantep-Kilis Üçpınar small dam construction has been completed in the same area where the 28-meter high Üçpınar small dam has been constructed and ready in service. Eren Construction has completed the Çarşamba Plain right side surface drainage first division project to protect the Çarşamba Plain from floods. The drainage problem of the Çarşamba Plain has been solved, while the drainage network of 24,000 hectares of agricultural areas have been completed. Eren Construction has continued its service mission with obtaining hygienic water for drinking and daily usage for the people of our country, and successfully completed the İstanbul-Ömerli-Tuzla drinking water pipeline project. Within the context of this project, 10 kilometers long and 2 meters in diameter of steel pipelines have been laid. With the Karacabey-Hamidiye irrigation construction project, Eren Construction has completed the construction of irrigation and drainage network of 11,000 hectares of land. Within the context of the project, a total of 406 kilometers of main canals, secondary and tertiary precast canal networks, and field structure construction, 6 pump stations and 1 weir construction has been completed. Eren Construction has continued its service race by taking place in GAP, the greatest project in Turkey. The company has completed the construction of 2 tunnels of 7.80 meters in diameter and 26 kilometers long in a short time, which will be used to take water from the Atatürk Dam to the Şanlıurfa-Harran Plains to irrigate 476,000 hectares of land. With these constructions, the company has helped the economic welfare of the farmers of the area, and the agricultural production has helped the economy of our country. Within the context of the city transportation services, the construction of the Istanbul Municipality Bağcılar Tam Junction has been completed, which has been a great help for the solution of the traffic problem of Istanbul. In total, the irrigation of 515,000 hectares of agricultural land has been completed, while $160 million of business has been done by Eren Construction. The construction of 3 projects that are developed by the DSI, General Directorate of State Hydraulic Works, are still in progress by Eren Construction. The irrigating of 8,000 hectares of land will be enabled with the ongoing project of Edirne-İpsala Sultanköy irrigation project construction. Within the context of the project, there are 360 kilometers of main canals, secondary and tertiary canals, 2 pump stations, 1 kilometer of penstock, 11 kilometers of operation maintenance roads, and art structure constructions are being built. The fact that the İpsala Plain covers 25% of Turkey's rice production highly increases the importance of this project. Eren Construction continues its challenge in the Turkish economy in the area of hydroelectric energy. During the construction of the Çekerek Süreyya Bey Dam and hydroelectric power plant project, a 103-meter high rock-filling dam with a volume of 7 million cubic meters, a 14-megawatt power plant, an energy tunnel of 4 meters in diameter and 300 meters long, and an irrigation tunnel of 4 meters in diameter and 300 meters long will be constructed. With this 45% complete project, an average of 50 million kilowatt-hours of annual energy production will be obtained, besides the irrigation of 65,000 hectares of agricultural land. With the ongoing construction of the 50% completed 7YP1 irrigation project in Çukurova, 11,000 hectares of agricultural land will find plenty of uninterrupted water. Within the context of this project, 436 kilometers of main canal, secondary and drainage canals, and 43 kilometers of operation and maintenance roads and field structure will be constructed. When all of the 3 projects in question are completed, 84,000 hectares of land will be irrigated, while 50 million kilowatt-hours of energy production will be completed, and $341 million of business will be done. With its management philosophy, production, service, and quality principles in every completed and ongoing project, the value that it gives to its workers, and its attitude in principles on environmental and human health, Eren Construction will go on racing itself to serve the economy of the country and the Turkish farmer, the Turkish agriculture, thus Turkey.